5:30 in the morning. I'm about to wake up the whole neighbourhood, starting up the bike, and I head down to Berrima for Cars and Coffee. So meeting up with a couple of boys at the servo, and pick you up on the road there. Let's go. Just pulled up behind me. I'm going to go around and pull up next to him. Berrima, I believe it is. I don't know about it, the boys told me about it, but yeah, heading down there. Fucking GoPro keeps moving. Heading down there, checking out Cars and Coffee. Got the VS up front and the XY as well. And the convoy, I guess you call it. A bit cold this morning. It was supposed to be 18 degrees at this time, but yeah, I think it's a bit cooler than that. But yeah, got my mate Matt up front, the purple 23 model breakout, and got Alex behind us with the 2017 Street Bob, I believe. Head out there, get a coffee, check out what's there, film a few cars, and turn around and head home before it gets too hot. It's going to be 40 degrees today, so get home before the heat kicks in. Selling that Street Bob if you guys are interested. Okay, 107 I believe, M8. Doesn't ride it much, that's for sure. You good? You good? You're a menace! One lady owner never thrashed. roads are closed, see no other vehicles. Private and closed, so we're all sweet. Fella gave us a wave. Oh, look at that place. You know. See what I mean? 69 horsepower, he's making 96 or whatever. You know, I don't know if he was giving it the beans there, but you know what I mean? You can understand why I thought it was 80 horsepower. My last video I took it on the dyno, so you can actually see it makes 69 horsepower and 79 torque. For an 88 she gets down. That's mad. See him at a point down there. I think he's getting married in Mittagong next month, so I think he's pointing down to where the venue was. I guess we're here. Got to flex on us with the air ride, huh? Ooh. On the pies already.
These are actually really on the phone. You talk to that's also
Hey.
And you is his shop?
These boys are on their second pie.
Yeah, right.
cars there. The McLarens and Lamborghini in particular. How cool is that Alfa Romeo with the Ferrari engine? That's a YouTuber named Jeff. I think his channel's called Home Built by Jeff. You can check that out. That's an awesome swap. That I think it's an engine from a Ferrari 360. I could be wrong. I watched the video a long time ago, but yeah, that's awesome to squeeze that into an Alfa Romeo. It's a really nice job as well, so go check that out. But yeah, a few good cars there, and yeah, coffee and the pies were good. So yeah, good little ride out in the morning. Knock it out early, get home before the heat. But yeah, if you enjoyed that one, give it a like, subscribe if you want to, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.